Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning in today, and thank you for your support. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use this light box as a tool to transform my sketches and thumbnail sketches into line drawings. Many times you're going to have to turn your sketches into line drawings, and one of the tools that I use is this one right here. This is very simple. It's a very ultra light, very sleek kind of board. That's all it is. It's just a simple board, nothing but a board, but it has a plug-in that you can plug in right here. You plug it in and you turn the switch on right here, and that's all it is. It's just that simple. But you know you're gonna have to always plug it in. Once you turn the light on, you're ready to work and trace your drawings and your sketches to make line drawings. So I'm going to show you right now. Here's one that I have of a sketch, and this sketch is obviously the lines are a little bit crude and everything, so I'm going to be able to use this tool here, this one, the LED light box, and I'm going to put the link in the description. You can check it out. The link is in the description for you to be able to buy one. It's about $30. But it's a very excellent tool for any artist to keep and have. So in this video, guys, I'm going to demonstrate for you how I do this. So obviously it's very simple. It's not complicated at all. So you have this white board, the LED board, that you're going to put right down. Put your drawing on top of it, and you see, as you can see, the drawing is very clear, and I'm ready to trace it. And all I have to do is pin this down onto the thing. So one way I do it is simply put on a clip, one of these paper thingies, and that'll hold it perfectly in place. And just to balance it up a little bit, I might want to use a second one on the other side, or if you prefer, you can always put tape on. That's fine as well. So once you have laid it down like this flat, you're ready to transform it into a line drawing. Okay, so now I have this one, a pretty thick paper. As you can see, this is pretty thick, and this one should be able to show through. Okay, so what I do then is simply turn it on, and it's as easy as this. Boom, you turn it on and you put the paper right on top, and this is pretty thick, and as you can see, you can still see it very clearly, and it's ready for you to trace. Alright, but for our purposes I'm going to use a different paper. So this will work for watercolor paper or any of those thick papers, mixed media papers, anything that you're using is fine. So you lay down the paper that you want it to be traced on top of it. Once you set it up nicely, you either tape it down or you clip it on like this, like I'm doing right here, and it's now very clear, and you need some light to kind of see it, but as you can see, it's ready to trace. And the next thing you do is you're going to take your nice fine ink pen, and you're ready to begin tracing. Okay, so I'm going to show you right here how I can make this into a nice line drawing. And when I'm doing the line drawing, I'm kind of free to begin wherever I want to, because it's just simply tracing the lines. But the key thing is for me to be able to keep the lines as single strokes, so there's no wavering lines and stuff. So I find this tool to be very useful, guys. It's really, really good, and it'll help you to make up your beautiful line drawings that you can then put colors on and stuff. So this is a great way for you to refine your drawings. And so there you go. It's very simple. It's as simple as that. And the trick is, once again, the lines have to be as smooth and clean as possible for you to be able to make a nice line. So So you see how the idea is to keep those lines simple, clean, and just straight down without any wavering and everything. And that can be done with this wonderful tool, the light box. And I believe they do send it to you within about 3 or 4 days, so their mailing is pretty good. And I found it to be very satisfactory, and I use it a lot for making line drawings like this, because when you make your sketches, there are so many, probably some revisions to make, which can then be fixed with this. So there you go, guys. As you can see, the line drawing using this. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm leaving the link right in the description. It's called LED light box. The link is in the description if you want to buy this. That's fine. Thank you for watching once again, and continue to support and watch the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I thank you very much for watching. Okay, once again, the LED light box, very simple tool, just a simple flat board like this that you can light up. All you do is put on the switch, turns on and off. Simple white board like this. Excellent tool for you to have and to trace the drawings. As you can see, a nice line drawing from this sketch to this, which can now be very nicely colored and whatnot. Once you're able to make a line drawing, you're good to go with so many other things. So there you go. Thank you for watching, everybody. LED light. All right, nice work in the way I can transform this into this using this box. I recommend it. A great tool to have. Continue to watch my channel. I'm going to be showing a lot of other videos. I'm going to be doing a lot from New York City, landscapes, cityscapes, and people, sketching people in the city. Okay, please tune in for that. Have a great day.